In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly manage events in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to streamline your event management process, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right into it. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't already done so, click on the login button located at the top right of the page. This action will prompt you to choose a login method. For simplicity and quick access, click on the Google option if you have an associated Google account, and then select your account from the list. This will automatically log you into your Monday.com workspace. Now that you're in the main dashboard of Monday.com, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll notice a plus icon, which is your gateway to adding new templates. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. Doing so will open a menu where you'll proceed by selecting Template Center. The Template Center is your library of pre-designed templates that can help streamline various processes, including event management. Once inside the Template Center, navigate to the search bar, where you can type in Event Management. This will refine the available options to templates specifically designed for event management. As you begin typing, you'll see suggestions appear. Simply select the event management template from the results. After selecting the template, a preview will open, displaying an overview of the template's structure and features. Feel free to explore this preview to ensure it aligns with your needs. If it does, click on Use Template. This will import the event management template directly into your workspace, allowing you to customize it further to suit your specific requirements. This step-by-step approach to accessing and utilizing templates in Monday.com can significantly enhance how you organize and manage events. Not only does it save time, but it also ensures consistency and efficiency across all your projects. Thank you for following along today. Utilizing templates on platforms like Monday.com can completely transform your workflow, especially with events that require meticulous coordination. Remember, the more familiar you become with these tools, the more adept you'll be at handling complex projects with ease. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on managing events. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you manage your events effortlessly with Monday.com. Until next time, happy organizing.